The Hellcord went from such a powerful vehicle that with just a little acceleration, there will be a great sum of smoke instantly generated to a car that there's a driver all now. But let me explain what happened, because I'm sure you may not know. A good few months ago, I decided to be a menace and put a Lamborghini engine into a Honda Accord. And it was so powerful that the exhaust tips fell off. Fast forward a little bit, boom, engine blows up, whatever, back to the V6. Terrorized TikTok and YouTube a little bit more with my burnouts and some drifting here and there with the V6, and now I'm like, you know, let me spice it up a little bit more. Boom, Hellcat engine into the Hellcord. And shortly before this, I slapped the Hellcat badge on it. Then everything changes very shortly after this. First, the Hellcat transmission blows. Maybe it's a bad tune and allowed it to rev too high. Maybe I just got scammed and got a shitty transmission. After that, I decided, you know, let's go back to the V6 for now while I kind of decide what I want to do with that. And then the V6 transmission goes too. Just been driving the Mercedes and the Hellcord, just been sitting there, not even able to start. Because it's an automatic, it won't allow you to start the car unless it detects it's in park, and it can't move from first gear. Even though the gear shifter is in park, the computer can't read that it's in park because it may or may not have park. We have ordered another transmission for this V6. Hopefully soon the Hellcord will be back on the streets. I can't guarantee a day because I don't want, you know, give up your hopes or give up my hopes. And it's gonna run more than just the streets. It's gonna run the fucking internet everywhere in TikTok. Every phone you go to, if you open TikTok and scroll through the For You page, Hellcord, Hellcord, Hellcord. I don't think we've seen the last of the Hellcat swapped Hellcord, so for you guys interested in that, it may be coming back. I'm working on the transmission for that one too. I just don't want to say too much at the time. But if you want to hear how loud I got the V6 to sound right before I blew the transmission, a video is on the screen right now, so click and go watch it.